Water pollution is a major environmental issue that India is facing. The largest source of water pollution in India is untreated sewage. Other sources of water pollution include agriculture runoff and unregulated small-scale industry. Most rivers, lakes, and surface water in India are polluted, as you can see in these pictures. Sewage discharge from cities, towns, and some villages is predominant cause of water pollution in India. Investment is needed to bridge the gap between sewage in order to generate and balance the treatment of the capacity of sewage per day.
Major cities of India produce 38,354 million liters per day of sewage, but the urban sewage treatment capacity is only 11,786 MLD. A large number of Indian rivers are severely polluted as a result of discharge of domestic sewage. According to the CPCB's 2013 report, 2,723 million liters per day of domestic sewage is discharged by cities located along the river. Even this may be a gross underestimation, as the calculation is based just on the water that is supplied in the cities.
Industrialization has led to the construction of factories and power plants that create large amounts of industrial waste that is commonly dumped in the river. Consequently, enormous amounts of household water and industrial waste such as heavy metals are discarded everywhere. As a result, people don't have enough amount of water to rinse vegetables and fish, as it is seen in this picture at HaNeul market. Most of the places had limited drinking water that people should carry separate water tanks to refill their bottles every time. The water that is left over had been trashed through the drain on the street, which made a sticky smell. Additionally, it is predicted that 50% of the population will have only 5 gallons per day for bathing, drinking, and power generation. Therefore, this is a constant reminder to show how critical it is to gain people's attention. In India, people commonly think that water pollution is difficult to resolve, but the fact is their mind that the water pollution could be treated. Nowadays, people began to make some campaigns to persuade citizens to be aware of water pollution. Specifically, education and awareness are needed to fix the problem due to the increase of the death by waterborne diseases. Nowadays, the laws of India are very weak, so that some people don't even care about it. The government of India should enforce the law and give pressure to the factories where they produce industrial effluent.
To conclude, water pollution, which is one of the most serious and prioritized problems to solve along with air pollution in India, has influenced intensely on public health, water shortage, and drinking and bathing and irrigational purposes. By having impact on them, many people are suffering from those effects of the water pollution. In India, people commonly think that water pollution is difficult to treat. However, education and awareness and public pressure are clearly helpful for approaching such problems. It might be crucial for the citizens of India to think about the people who are being suffocated due to the serious water pollution. While it might be true that the attention of government is necessary, still all in all, the citizens' awareness is also needed to solve the problem, which means both of the government and citizens should be united and work together to solve water pollution as a country.